let's get into it. What does the side discharge chute look like? This is what they will send you when you register your Toro personal base mower. You'll have to check other models to see if they do the same. I know for this particular model they do not include this. So at first I was very hesitant whether it would be worth to order it, but they sent it directly to your home. There was no issues. So I used to have a lot of different lawn mowers in the past, and mainly commercial. This is my first residential mower, and first season using it, and so far it's worked pretty well. So why would you use this? Well, if the grass is too high, you want to use it because you're not going to be able to mulch all that heavy high grass if you can't cut it on a good routine schedule. If you just want a quick cut and you don't care about having clippings everywhere, this is why you would use it. You can cut the grass a lot faster. It's not as healthy per se as using just the mulch mechanism. So even though I do have a mulching blade on the Toro personal base, and it is a mulching deck, and most people who buy the mower, it comes with that blade, this is still nice for certain applications. So even if I am choosing to mulch the entire yard, but for leaves, essentially, let's just say that there's a lot of leaves in one area, you can kind of go over that area several times and it pushes the leaves out a certain direction to a certain way in the yard. So it's actually, you can use it kind of like a cleaning mechanism. So let's show you how it installs, and it's very simple. So here we are behind the mower. As you can see, this is where it would go. So what you do is you bring it down like this, and obviously the mower should be off when you're doing this. You hold it up, you open this right here, and it's really easy. All you do is just slide it to these two grooves, and that's it. And then you put this down. So another thing to note, I just want to show you how it works. So right now, this little trap door is closed, but there's a lever on the other side that opens it up. So right now, when it's down, it's in mulch mode. So obviously, you will not have any grass go out into the side discharge chute from the deck when it's closed, and that goes to the same for the grass catcher. So you install the grass catcher the same way. It goes right here and it fills up the bag of grass so you can dump it. So you take this little guy and you put it up here, and now it's good to spit grass out that way, and it goes to the left. The cool thing that I really like about this is, you can set it up before you go on your grass cutting adventure, and it's push and play essentially. Now what do I mean by that? So what I mean by that, as you can see from the front of the mower, this little symbol has the back on the back of the mower stating that the grass will go this way. So when it's down, that's where the grass will go. When it's up, it's in recycling mode. Make sure it's locked. So obviously, when you want to have the side discharge, you put it down. So what's cool is you can leave it on when you're cutting the grass, and if there's a certain section on the yard, you need to spit leaves out a certain way, or the grasses, maybe you have two different kinds of grasses, and the one is super high. You can just pop it down into discharge mode, and it's going to go out to the left, or it'd be your left. If you're looking at the mower, it'd be to the right. So yeah, it's pretty cool. The other thing you need to know is where to find the serial number on your mower. So if you see where my glove is back there, it's covering the serial number. That is where you would find the serial number to plug it into the Toro website, and with your address and everything like that, and then they will send it to you. So, do I think it's worth it? Absolutely. I hope this video has given you some insight on why you should order the side discharge chute